Hi, this is Matthias from Windsor, and today I'll show you how to connect Facebook ads to Looker Studio. Before you start, please make sure that you have access to at least one Facebook ads account, which is linked to a Facebook Business Manager account, and of course to Looker Studio. Let's get started. You head to Looker Studio, click on Create, Data Source, type Facebook, and then you find Facebook ads by Windsor.ai. Now you authorize 2 times here. On the second authorization, this window opens and you are then prompted to grant Facebook ads access, which is what you need to do. And once you have done that, you can then select the accounts in the drop-down below. You can specify an attribution window. In case you leave it empty, it just defaults to the default attribution window. Then you click Finish, and then you're back in Looker Studio. And now here, you can select a subset of accounts which you have connected in the previous account. If you do not select any accounts, all the accounts are connected by default. So if I select this account here, I only will have data from this account. Click Connect. Now the field list is loaded. What I usually do is I give it a meaningful name, the account name, so I can easily find them, because most of the times you will end up having multiple connectors. And then after, click Create Report. And now we have the report, which is built in, set up already. And now you could go about customizing it. So you have all these fields to the right here. So let's say I want to add an image here. Add image. You can add that here to also get a preview of the ad itself, for example. Then the data refreshes and you have the ad image present. So now you would customize the template to your needs and your requirements. And then you are done with the setup of Facebook ads in Looker Studio. What I would also recommend here is to check out our template gallery. We have around 10 templates, which you can use with the Facebook ads connector. So that's always a good way to get started. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy working with our connector.